Hello students, welcome to the last part of this ecosystem. Here we will be learning about the ecological services. Now you must be thinking, what is the meaning of this ecological services? Service means what? Something which we are actually giving for someone, and it is in a positive manner we are thinking this ecological services which can happen in our ecosystem. So let us see what we mean by this. Over here, the ecological services means the different products of the ecosystem. That means what are the products it is getting developed from the ecosystem. Kindly don't think this one in the form of always a substance. The products is not actually every time a substance. Products means what are the positive values which are actually getting inculcated in this ecosystem, right? So this is what we call as a ecological service. Okay, so let us see over here what are the positive values of this ecosystem. When we talk about the products, as I told you, kindly don't relate that one only to the substance. It can be environmental, it can be aesthetic, it can be of the other values, right? What it is providing, the ecosystem, it is providing too much of the life supporting service. Okay, so because of that we all of are learning this kind of ecosystem, what are the different phases of ecosystem and all everything we have already learned. So let us see over here what are the life supporting services this ecosystem or ecological service is providing. Number one is perennial water. Perennial word means every time the water is present in the soil. Now how is it possible? Obviously because of the number of the plants as well as the trees which are present. Now if in a particular area the plant will be present, that plant will always create the dry leaves which will get moist with the water, and humus will be continuously producing in this particular area. Okay, so what will happen? Always the water will be there in the soil. So soil will retain the water, and it will also percolate through the soil, the water, and it will never let that particular place to dry up. Okay, next is the air. The natural ecosystem, actually what happens over here, it is causing the suspension of the particulate matter. In the air there are lots of particulate matter which will be present over here, and it can remove the carbon dioxide and release oxygen, thereby purifying the air always in the process of this ecosystem. Now if you talk about the soil formation and the soil protection are the major ecosystem service. Okay, if the trees are growing, obviously soil will be protected. Earthworm which are there inside the soil, they are loosening up the soil, which is helping in the growing of the crops. So over here obviously the we can say the change is happening in the soil. Next is the wetlands. Number 4 is the wetlands. They protect the land from the floods, okay, and remove the sediments and other pollutants, and even it is recharging the groundwater. Okay. Next is the climate. The fifth one is the climate. Ecosystem increases the humidity. It can also decrease the humidity, right? It can bring more rain. It can be a moderate climate, can also be continued with this climate. Okay, next is the carbon fixation. Number 6 is carbon fixation. This carbon fixation means there are a lot of plants which will be there in the ecosystem which will utilize the carbon dioxide from the air for photosynthesis. That means the carbon is actually utilized, the carbon dioxide is utilized for the producing of the food, producing of this organic matter. Next is oxygen release. As the photosynthesis will take place, it will release the oxygen in the atmosphere, which will develop a life-saving service for the other communities. Number 8 is the nutrient cycling. This we have already learnt before. The nutrient cycling is the repeated circulation of different type of nutrients in the soil. Time is actually moving forward, and with the time we can see lot of changes in the nutrient taking place in the soil components, and this is actually keeping the soil more and more fertile, right? This cycling of the nutrient. If you come to the next point, that is wildlife habitat. Natural habitats are actually the habitats of wildlife. So wildlife, you don't have to make it, you don't have to create it. Ecosystem of its own self actually creates the wildlife habitat. So it is very much natural. Ecosystem also helps in the pollination, helps in the dispersal of the seeds. Ecosystem creates the grazing grounds for the herbivores. Ecosystem also creates a habitat for the tribals. That means not only the animals, even the humans are also supported by all kind of ecological services. So these are actually the certain points which you have to remember, that these are coming under the ecological services. Thank you, students.